Chop! Comedy coming through. Pregunta, ¿usted tiene problema con su apetito? Algunas veces necesitamos ayuda profesional. Pues búscalo antes que seas muy tarde.
This TV show makes me hungry. Did Poppy leave any food for the rest of us?
We'll be back with more of Julian's Hawaiian Luau right after this.
I don't feel good. You eat too much.
Remember when you ate 45 hot dogs at the county fair eating contest?
Yep.
Once, I saw Poppy eat a whole cow. I thought my daddy was gonna explode.
Recent studies suggest that 3 out of every 2 adults suffer from some form of eating disorder. Finally, there is help.
Hello, I'm Dr. Geigersmoot, founder of the Geigersmoot Hypnotherapeutic Eating Disorder Clinic. Do you eat too much? Eat too often? Eat too little? Or maybe just don't eat at all? By using my simple hypnotic suggestion technique, I can help you overcome your eating disorder. With the phenomenal results I have achieved, I just had to ask one of my patients for a testimonial.
I used to weigh over 300 pounds, but now, thanks to Geigersmoot method, I weigh 145 pounds and 10 ounces.
So if you have an eating disorder, call Dr. Geigersmoot for help.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
The gun is about for Mr. Gonna be sick.
That's it. I'm calling Dr. Geigersmoot for you. Doctor, welcome to our home.
Thank you for having me. Well, Patty and Lou Pastrami, I understand your concern about Lou's eating problem. I don't have a problem.
He eats everything that he sees.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You're a steak freak.
I like a sirloin or two after dinner. That's all. That's not a problem.
Doctor, please help us.
Now, Lou, I'm going to make a simple hypnotic suggestion that will allow you to enjoy food without the worry of overindulgence.
Lou, here's your nice juicy steak dinner.
Do we have any steak sauce?